Amazon KDP versus your own website? Which option pays you more money as a faith-based author? Have you ever wondered why you keep publishing book after book on Amazon KDP, but for some reason, even though there are some sales coming in, you're still not making enough income to really hit your financial goals? My love, the answer lies in this: understanding how much money you actually make selling your own books on Amazon KDP versus selling your books on your own website. And in this video, I'm gonna show you the exact comparison. I'm gonna put the same book on KDP and the same book on my own website and show you the difference so that you can start making more income as an author and do more mission in your communities. Now, I started my business in 2008 and became a self-published author in 2009. And back then, the holy grail of self-publishing was getting your book on Amazon.com. And that's what I did. I did as much research as I could, figured out the process, got my book on Amazon KDP. And 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, I stayed broke. And I mean broke. And it wasn't a lack of publishing books, because I published several books during that time. It was because I didn't understand this concept of profit margin, how much money I was actually keeping after I made a sale on the Amazon KDP platform. And if you are struggling with the exact same thing, that you are writing books, self-publishing them, making sales here and there, but you're just not making enough money, it's the same thing. But let me tell you something, sis. This is the good news. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. Nobody ever told you. Nobody ever told me. Until one day when I was really trying to figure out, how do I make an actual living wage selling my own books? I literally prayed to the Lord Jesus and asked him to show me. And the very next day, I found out about this concept called sales funnels. I learned about profit margin. I learned about revenue generation, how much that I keep versus how much that I actually earn. It was a game changer. And so in this video, I want to take you through the exact same process so you can make a decision for yourself as an author where you want to actually sell your books to make more money. So first things first, let's see how much we make if I put my book on Amazon KDP. I'm going to be comparing apples to apples, and in this video, I'm going to do an example showing you ebooks or digital books. I've actually already recorded a video demonstration explaining the difference between Amazon KDP and your own website sales with hard copy books, so definitely check out that video if you'd rather see the hard copy one. But in this video, I want to show you ebook copies, digital copies, and shout out to this person who asked the question, does this apply to ebook copies? The answer is yes, it does. So to self-publish an ebook on Amazon, just go to kdp.amazon.com, sign up for a free account. Then you're going to hit create. You'll select ebook. You'll put in your title, how to create your author brand. You'll put in your name. In this ebook, I'll teach you how to create your author brand. Put in your description. I own the rights. No. Amazon.com. Choose your categories. I'll just choose business, women in business. Save your keywords and hit save and continue. Next, go ahead and upload your manuscript, which is right here, upload manuscript. I'm going to upload an EPUB file. Awesome. Next, upload your cover. I'm going to upload a JPEG. Excellent. No, I didn't use AI. And then I'm going to hit save and continue. And I need to wait for for KDP to process the files. Once it's done, select all territories. Don't enroll in KDP Select. That means you can't sell the ebook on your own website, okay? And now here's where we get to pricing. So I sell my ebooks for $37. Now you'll see here, they tell you how pricing works. Basically, if you want to earn 70%, you have to price your book between $2.99 and $9.99. If you want to price outside of that, you have to select the 35% option. I'm not kidding. So I want to earn $37 per sale. That's how I sell my ebooks on my own website. That means I have to select the 35%. So I make $12.95 per ebook sale that I work so hard to do marketing and promotion for and make a sale for on Amazon.com. If I want to earn 70%, look here, it says you got to set it between $2.99 and $9.99. You don't have a choice. So if I choose $9.99 just to earn the 70%, now I make a whopping $6.97 per sale. I'm not kidding. Now, obviously, I'm going to choose the 35% because I want to price it at $37. $12 is at least double what they paid me at the $9.99. So I'm just going to take that $12.95 per ebook sale if I put my ebook, my $37 ebook, mind you, on Amazon KDP. So all in all, when I list that ebook for sale on Amazon KDP, this is what I make per sale. Now let's see what happens if I take the time to build my own platform and sell my ebook on my own storefront that I build, that I own. Let's see the difference that it makes. So I'm going to show you how to create your own website very quickly using hostingder.com. Thank you so much to hostingder.com for sponsoring today's video. Just go to hostingder.com/godlywoodgirl. Choose the business website builder plan. This plan is awesome. You get 100 websites on one plan, which means for every book you write and self-publish, you can have your own website for that book. It's incredible. Go ahead and choose how much term you want to do. If you do anything 12 months and over, you get a free domain. And then right over here where it says have a discount code, just put Godlywood Girl and click apply and you'll get 10% off, which is awesome, and hit continue. So once you end up on your Hostinger dashboard, select Hostinger Website Builder and then go ahead and enter your brand name. So mine is Stephanie Rodness, and then tell the AI what you do. I create ebooks that teach women of faith who are authors how to build their brand identity as a faith-based author so they can sell more books. And then go ahead and click create website. Now, once you look at what the AI builder built, this is what they built for me. If you don't like what they built, just hit create again, and then they'll try again. So this is the second version that they gave me. Absolutely beautiful. So all I have to do now is just hit continue. I'm going to show you how to quickly modify this. Like I said, it's what you see is what you get. So if I don't like this background right here, I just click on it. That's it. Click edit section. And then I can click replace video. And I will put woman writing a book and just hit search. And just find an image that you really like that reflects your brand. So I'm liking this. I'm liking the bookstore. She's a judge. I love that. Excellent. This is really, really nice. And then I scroll down. And then over here, what I want to do is just click edit image and go ahead and upload an image. You can just hit replace image. So I'll just go to free images and select woman writing book. Same exact thing. You want to just stick to your branding, right? You just want to stick to your branding. So I want to find an image that is pretty neutral. This one is excellent. I'll click add to page. And then if I want to change my author bio here, all I just do is click and type in, good to go. And then here, your faith-based journey. So they're going to create a blog for you, which is really great. Here it is. This is the blog that they created for you. This testimonial section, I don't need, so I'm just going to click it and hit delete, just like that. And then over here, you want to go ahead and if you have contact information, go ahead and put it. I'll just put YouTube, youtube.com/godlywoodgirl. I can put hello@godlywoodgirl.com. And then over here, I don't need this, so I'll just click it, delete, click it, delete. Don't want to connect my socials, so delete. Excellent. Also, you're going to want to make sure that you update your branding. So over here is where you can add pages. Super, super simple. I love it. Over here, you can change the website styles. So I do like this little purplish, but let's say that I wanted to do maybe a more bold color. So you just click it, click select, and you can type in whatever your brand, this one over here. And then all you have to do is click accept, and then it'll change it. So you see there. And then make sure you add your store, obviously, right? So on the left here, click add store, click add store. And then you see over here, it says manage products. Go ahead and click that. Select everything and just delete, delete. Now click over here, add products. This is an ebook. So you're going to select digital products. And here's what's really cool about Hostinger. They have an AI writer. So just click it, upload your image. I'm going to upload my front cover. and it's going to create my product description based off the cover. Look at that. And you can change this however you want. Just click into it, type in. So my ebook is, sorry about that hit. My ebook is $37. Scroll down, click here and add your PDF file. This is mine. And then just click save. One of the unique things about Hostinger that I've literally never seen another website hosting plan offer, they have 0% transaction fees. So once you paid your hosting plan, that's it. They don't take anything else from any sale you make. Hostinger integrates with either PayPal or Stripe. So you'll have to pay the fee of either PayPal or Stripe for each book that you sell. I'm going to just choose Stripe. And if you go to stripe.com/pricing, you'll see they charge 2.9% plus 30 cents of each sale. So if we do the math on that, right, I'm going to sell mine for $37. So 2.9% of $37 is $1.07 plus 30 cents. So every time I sell an ebook on my Hostinger website, I'm going to pay $1.37 fee, and that's it. So once you're all done, you can just exit out or add additional ebooks if you have them. Right over here, go back to your home page and click the start button, click edit button, and then link to your ebook. So click page, and then go ahead and grab your How to Build Your Author Brand book right there. So now when somebody clicks that, they're all good to go. Over here, click edit button. We're going to do the same exact thing, page, because our goal is to create this to sell our books. So make sure you are connecting your ebook to all your buttons. And scroll, 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 scroll. Excellent. I am going to add one section right up top. So over here, hover, click add section. And then on the left, select online store. And then you can select here, single product. Click over here, edit section, select product, choose your product. And now boom, right up top, somebody can purchase your book. Isn't that awesome? Go ahead and connect your domain if you have the plan that's either 12 months or more. And then if you want to, go ahead and click on your pages and modify your pages as well. So you can make this an About You section. You can add services or change this to a shop page, whatever you want. So I'm actually just going to get rid of those pages because I don't need them. So I'm going to go over here, click About, click my little settings, and I'm just going to click delete, delete. Do the same thing for services, click delete, delete. I always want to keep a contact page because we do want to build our email list. You always want to do that. And then your store, always keep that because again, our whole point of this is to sell our books. So once you're all done modifying your store, look at this. I have a professional looking website that took me just a couple of minutes to build. It's designed to sell my ebook. And then once you're all done, just click save. And then you'll click go live. Once you are live, you have a website to sell your book, my love. Takes just a couple of minutes. Go to hostinger.com/GodTheWoodGirl. Use discount code GodTheWoodGirl at checkout to get 10% off your hosting plan. And remember, when we sell ebooks through this website, because Hostinger doesn't take any fees, all we do is pay Stripe that $1.37 fee, $1.37 fee based off their standard pricing. And that means we get to keep $35.63 of every sale we make. So when I sell my ebook on my own platform, this is what I make. My love, Amazon KDP, my own platform. This is the difference. This may not look like a ton of money, one sale here, two sales here, but what about 100 sales? What about 1,000 sales? What about 10,000 sales? How much more revenue can you be generating just by putting your ebooks on your own platform? I'm not telling you to take your books off of Amazon KDP. You can keep your books on Amazon KDP. I have a book still for sale on Amazon KDP, How to Make a Sales Funnel That Earns Money While You Sleep. That book is still available for sale on the platform, even though it's also for sale on my website. Now, here's what I do though. When I'm doing marketing, I send people to my own website to purchase that ebook. If I make a sale on Amazon KDP, which I do still get a very small check from KDP each month, if I do make a sale, Amazon's the one pushing that sale. Amazon's the one who's taking that book and putting it in front of somebody searching for it. So let them earn that commission, that's fine. You don't have to take your book off KDP, but what I'm saying is when you do your marketing to sell your books, put your book on your own platform, send people to your own platform, and keep all the money. Keep all the money. You can use this money to grow your business, invest in your business, run your business, hire staff, purchase ads, build your sales funnels. You can use the additional revenue to grow your business. And you have complete permission to do so. Now, some of you are going to say, that's too good to be true. I challenge you to test this out yourself. Take your ebook, put it on Amazon KDP's Kindle platform, put it on your own website, and see the difference in royalties that you make. Just try it yourself. It's free for you to try it. It doesn't cost you anything. Try it for yourself. And for those of you who are saying, well, if my book's not on Amazon.com, how am I going to get traffic to my book, right? Amazon promotes and markets my book for me. So how am I going to get people off of Amazon to my own website to buy my ebook? Here's the answer. You don't. If you look at your sales numbers for your book on Amazon.com, you know good and well Amazon.com is not marketing your book for you. You know good and well when you make a sale on Amazon.com, it's because you sent somebody there to purchase it. Let's just be honest here. In the beginning, yeah, maybe when Amazon.com first came out and they first acquired CreateSpace, maybe back then they used to promote our books for us. But there's just too much competition now. There's like 60,000 new ebooks added to the Amazon.com platform every month. There's too much competition. Amazon.com is not going to be promoting your book for you. When you make a sale on that platform, you are the one who sent somebody there to purchase it. So all you're doing is making one tweak. Instead of when you're doing your marketing, instead of you saying go to Amazon.com to buy my book, now you're saying go to my website to buy my book. That's the only difference. And if you don't know how to do marketing, you've never really done marketing, watch my videos on my channel where I share so many marketing strategies you can use to promote your book. I literally give you all the information here on the channel. Just check out the tutorials. Follow one of the strategies and do your marketing. Now, of course, none of this works if you don't actually know how to write a book, right? So if you don't know how to write a book, I have created an incredible course for you called the God That Would Grow Faith-Based Author School that shows you how to write and self-publish your own faith-based books step by step. I teach you nonfiction books, ebooks, workbooks, daily devotionals, prayer journals, Bible study guides, and that's just the bare minimum. There's so much information in this course. Let me give you a sneak peek. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodness, and if you've been struggling to move forward on your journey as a faith-based author, I've created a brand new community called the God That Would Grow Faith-Based Author School just for women like you who want to move forward in your purpose as a woman of Christ writing books. The school includes the Author Toolkit, which has 10 tutorials for 10 different types of Christian books you can write, including nonfiction books, daily devotionals, prayer journals, ebooks. There's a lot in there. You'll get access to the God That Would Grow Book Funnel Toolkit, which shows you how to take your book, bundle it up, and put it into a sales funnel, including a lead magnet funnel, a tripwire funnel, and my very favorite, a webinar funnel. You'll get access to the book promotion toolkit, which shows you how to create a marketing plan to promote your funnel, because in order for people to buy our books, right, we have to tell them about it. And that's what the marketing toolkit shows you how to do. Plus, you'll get access to a community of other women who are writing faith-based books just like you are. Sis, you do not have to do this alone. Come join the brand new God That Would Grow Faith-Based Author School so you can get the tutorials you need, you can get the community you need, and most importantly, you can get the network that you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there. Visit ChristianAuthorSchool.com to fill out the application form and apply today. Now, if you've never taken the step to get your book business started, make sure you watch my free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge, where if you follow the steps in that challenge, you will have your book business up and running. The link is in the description box below. And don't forget to watch this video for even more information to help you step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there.